School chaos is not a teacher's aid. It is particularly true when we try to correlate many different dates. Before you start working with the tools for the meeting organization, it is worth acquainting students and parents with the system which you are going to use. The presented solutions are intuitive and free of charge. Consequently, the students and parents should not have any problems filling in data once they receive an email requesting them to confirm their participation in the meeting.
Why is it warning planning? Sense of agency.
In the application, we have the confirmation of participation or its absence. Everyone can provide their opinion on the selected dates.
Sense of security.
The specified dates enable to control the situation.
The sense of saving time.
We minimize the number of phone calls, changing and synchronizing dates by a one-off preparation of the event in the application.
When should the application be used?
Organizing meetings for more or fewer people.
Planning outings and trips.
Planning students' group work.
Appointing dates for presentation or speeches.
Difficulty remembering event dates.
Excessive number of tasks.